In the magical town of Glimmerberg, where stars twinkled in the night sky like diamonds, Lila and her fluffy friend Fluffly were ready for an evening of enchanting adventures. Fluffly, with his wiggly tail and twinkling eyes, had a sparkling idea, a game called Glimmerberg Glow Bowling. Gathering Lila, Benny, Zoe, and Giggly Gus at the heart of Glimmerberg, Fluffly waved his tail and the sky turned into a canvas of shimmering stars. The friends were excited, ready for the glowing challenge that Fluffly had in store. Fluffly's magical touch transformed a room into a cosmic bowling alley, with glow sticks outlining the makeshift lanes and glow-in-the-dark pins standing tall at the end. The Glimmerberg Glow Bowling was ready to begin. The children, with their eyes wide with wonder, couldn't wait to play. Dividing into two teams, Team Starlight and Team Moonbeam, the friends eagerly awaited the signal from Fluffly. With a magical glow, the enchanting bowling adventure commenced. Benny, with a soft ball in hand, stepped up to the glowing lane. Fluffly, with a sparkle in his eye, whispered, "Roll the ball and knock down the shining pins." Benny giggled and gave the ball a gentle roll, sending it on a sparkling journey toward the glowing pins. Cheers erupted as the pins tumbled, leaving a trail of shimmering stardust in their wake. Zoe, with a twinkle in her eye, took her turn. Fluffly, ever the magical referee, added a twist. "Close your eyes and roll the ball." Zoe giggled, closed her eyes, and with a gentle nudge from Fluffly, sent the ball rolling. Laughter echoed as the ball zigzagged down the lane, knocking down pins with surprise moves. Giggly Gus, with his infectious laughter, decided to try a silly roll, backward. Fluffly, with a magical wink, encouraged the backward bowling adventure. Giggly Gus giggled non-stop as he rolled the ball with his back turned, the pins falling in delightful disarray. Lila, with her eyes sparkling like the night sky, stepped up for the final roll. Fluffly, with a playful twirl, added a challenge. "Roll the ball with a little hop." Lila giggled, hopped, and sent the ball rolling down the glowing lane. The friends erupted in cheers as the ball knocked down the last glowing pin. With a triumphant tail twirl, Fluffly declared the Glimmerberg Glow bowling a success. The friends gathered in the enchanting room, sharing stories of their glowing strikes and unique rolls. Fluffly, with his magical touch, turned the glowing alley into a cozy starlit picnic area. They sat on blankets, enjoyed snacks, and celebrated the radiant joy of their glow-in-the-dark bowling adventure. As the stars twinkled above, Lila and Fluffly taught their friends that games could be a magical journey through the world of imagination and laughter. The Glimmerberg Glow Bowling became a cherished tradition, inspiring the children to explore the magic of friendship and inventive play. With dreams of more glow-in-the-dark adventures, they fell asleep, eager for the next day of radiant fun in the sparkling town of Glimmerberg. In the vibrant town of Playville, where laughter echoed like joyful music, Lila and her fluffy friend Fluffly were gearing up for a day of playful adventures. Fluffly, with his wiggly tail and twinkling eyes, had a brilliant idea, a game called Playville Puzzle Relay. Gathering Lila, Benny, Zoe, and Giggly Gus at the heart of Playville, Fluffly gathered puzzle pieces and laid them out in a box at one end of the play area. The friends were excited, ready for the puzzling challenge that Fluffly had in store. Fluffly, with his magical touch, transformed the play area into a puzzle paradise. The Playville Puzzle Relay was ready to begin. Dividing into two teams, Team Puzzlers and Team Solvers, The friends eagerly awaited the signal from Fluffly. With a magical bounce, Fluffly declared, "On your marks, get set, puzzle!" The children, with giggles and grins, raced to the puzzle box to grab the first piece. Benny, with his speedy legs, reached the box first and snatched a puzzle piece with excitement. With the puzzle piece in hand, Benny sprinted to the incomplete puzzle at the other end. Fluffly, with his tail twirling like a cheerleader's pom-pom, encouraged Benny to add the piece. The other teammates, cheering on the sidelines, couldn't wait for the puzzle to take shape. As Benny added the first piece, Zoe dashed to the puzzle box, her laughter trailing behind her like a playful melody. The friends, with their eyes on the puzzle prize, eagerly took turns running, grabbing puzzle pieces and adding them to the incomplete masterpiece. Giggly Gus, with his infectious laughter, grabbed a puzzle piece and decided to add a twist to the relay. Fluffly, with a mischievous sparkle, declared, "Hop to the puzzle!" Giggly Gus giggled non-stop as he hopped on one foot, carrying the puzzle piece to the waiting masterpiece. Laughter filled the air as he added his piece with a hop and a grin. Lila, with her eyes shining like stars, joined the relay with a skip and a twirl. Fluffly, with a playful wink, added a surprise challenge. "Spin around before placing the piece." Lila giggled, spun around with joy, and carefully added her piece to the growing puzzle. The friends erupted in cheers, their laughter creating a symphony of playful delight. With each turn, the puzzle took shape, a magical collage of colours and shapes. The teams, with teamwork and laughter, raced to be the first to complete their puzzle. Fluffly, the puzzle referee, kept the energy high, cheering and encouraging the friends as they added the final pieces. With a triumphant tail twirl, Fluffly declared the Playville Puzzle Relay a success. The friends gathered around the completed puzzles, celebrating their teamwork and creativity. Fluffly, with his magical touch, turned the play area into a cozy picnic spot. They sat on blankets, enjoyed snacks, and celebrated the joy of their puzzle-solving adventure. As the sun set on Playville, Lila and Fluffly taught their friends that games could be a magical journey through the world of teamwork and inventive play. The Playville Puzzle Relay became a cherished tradition, inspiring the children to explore the magic of friendship and collaborative fun. With dreams of more puzzle-solving adventures, they fell asleep, eager for the next day of playful surprises in the lively town of Playville.